this is Farabi and Saifur Rahman and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we work for YouTube SEO and promotions related to work. So at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Okay, sir. This is our website, fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact information and all about us. And if you go scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here. And we do lot of buyer meeting whole around the world. Every day, 10 to 12 buyer meeting we have performed. And if you go to my client meeting session, then you will find a lot of buyer meeting I have attached here. I am showing you. Maximum of our buyer from USA, Australia, China, Japan, Czech Republic, and whole over the world. As you see, these guys from China, these guys from USA, these guys also from USA, these guys from France, and these guys from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And if you go next, then you will find more buyer meeting. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Self. And in this channel, I have gained 1,57K subscriber and uploaded 149 videos. And if you go to my videos popular sections, then you can see 1.1 million views, 6 lakh 11K views, 4 lakh 42K views, and many more. So all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So recently, that is about our agency. Recently, our teammate Saifur has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So are you interested to our service, sir?
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to try it on a trial basis. I don't commit long term to anything before I see results.
Okay, sir. We are not a small agency. We have a big agency and we know each and every rules of YouTube. As you see, my play button is hanging behind me and we are working through a lot of clients. So for YouTube, we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages. For weekly packages, we will optimize your 10 video SEO score and title, tag, description, and it costs $120. And another package is monthly package, which is in a month we will do 30 video SEO and it costs $300. So, sir, which one do you choose? Which package?
I will try this for 1 month at 300
Okay,
and we'll see
okay.
how it goes.
Okay, no problem. So, for starting the work, we have two method. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited access. Then we can do everything by ourselves, and you just put your video link, which video you do want to SEO. Just pick 30 video for a month, and then send to our team member. She will optimize each and every video, and we will try our best to grow your channel. And as I showed you, a lot of buyer we are working. But if you do not want to give your channel access to us, we have another method, which is you just provide your video link, which video you want to do SEO. Then we optimize each video and make a report sheet and we will hand over to you. Then you have to copy and paste each video data and by yourself. So it would be very difficult for you. So which one do you choose to start the work?
Well, I'm not going to give you access to my channel. Can you not do it with um, a video that's already on there? I only have 26 videos. So if it's 30 videos for a month, do every video.
Okay. So no problem. We are working according to our client satisfactions. No problem. Our client satisfaction is our first priority. So if you want to give your channel access, you can, no problem. Or if you want just give your video link, then we will optimize by ourselves. But we will make a report sheet and hand over to you. Then you just copy, paste each video title, tag, description, and paste to your specific video by yourself.
So I got to paste all that back into the videos that are already uploaded.
Yeah. It would be very difficult for you if you do not give access. But if you give us access as the editor or editor limited access, so we do not harm your channel. We do not think to worry about your channel safety, because your channel safety is our first priority, sir. So now your wish, we are work according to your wish, no problem.
Let's try it. You do the videos and send me the link, and I'll copy it into the description. I want to see how it works.
Okay. So no problem. So at first we start with the second method. and you just paste the everything details. And then if you think that it would be very harder for you, or it would be very hurtful for you, then you can give us access, no problem. So sir, our payment system is, when you start project, then 50% of advance you have to pay, and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And if you have any further questions or anything to know, just feel free to communicate with our team member Saifur Rahman, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, and thanks for your time. And we will try our best to grow your channel. And I hope and believe that we are working for a long time. We-
And how do you accept payment?
Okay, sir. Our payment method is, we accept Remitly, we accept Western Union, but PayPal is not supported in our location, sir. So, do you know about Remitly, sir?
Hmm?
Do you know about Remitly?
No.
Okay, no problem. We will guide you how to pay by Remitly. Or do you know about Western Union, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, you can pay by Western Union also, no problem. So, uh, no need to worry about payment. You just take our service, and when you are convenient, then you can pay, no problem. And our payment details, payment informations, all about our team member Saiful will send you and guide you how to pay by Remitly or Western Union, sir.
Hmm.
So after finishing the meeting, our team member will message you, and you just send you 30 video link, and he will start the work, and he will send his payment details, payment information, and then we'll start work from tomorrow.
Interesting.
Thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time, and bye for now, sir.
Bye.
Yeah, bye bye.